Hi, and welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing female orgasmic disorder. This is a condition that affects many women and can cause distress and frustration in their intimate lives. If you're someone who has struggled with reaching orgasm or has never experienced one, you're not alone. In this video, we'll dive into what female orgasmic disorder is, its causes, and what you can do about it. So, let's get started. Female orgasmic disorder, also known as FOD, is defined as the persistent or recurrent difficulty in achieving orgasm despite adequate stimulation. This means that a woman may struggle to reach orgasm during sexual activity, even when she is sexually aroused and adequately stimulated. There are many causes of female orgasmic disorder, including physical factors, psychological factors, and relationship issues. Some physical causes of FOD can include hormonal imbalances, nerve damage, and certain medical conditions. On the psychological side, stress, anxiety, and past sexual trauma can all contribute to FOD. Additionally, relationship problems such as lack of intimacy, communication, and sexual compatibility can also play a role. So, what can you do if you're struggling with female orgasmic disorder? There are several steps you can take to address this issue and improve your sexual experience. First, talk to your doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions that may be causing your FOD. Your doctor may also be able to suggest medications or treatments that can help. Second, consider seeking therapy or counseling. A therapist can help you work through any psychological or relationship issues that may be contributing to your FOD. Third, explore your own sexuality and learn about what feels good for you. Experiment with different sexual activities and techniques to find what works best for you. Communication is key in any sexual relationship, so don't be afraid to talk to your partner about what you like and what you need in order to reach orgasm. Finally, be patient with yourself. Reaching orgasm can take time, and it's important to be kind and gentle with yourself as you work through this process. So, there you have it. Female orgasmic disorder is a common condition, but with the right support and resources, it can be overcome. Remember to be open and honest with your doctor, your therapist, and your partner, and to take the time to explore your own sexuality and find what works best for you. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, please like and share this video with others who may benefit from it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and we'll do our best to answer them. Until next time, take care.